Keep it simple and just mow.
Ever since I've had this drainage system put in, I've had a lot of cats and raccoons and other small wild animals going into the pipe. They're using it as an entry point to move from one place to another. So typically I wouldn't care, but because I have a dog, I have to be careful on what type of animals have access to the pipe. So one of the ways I'm dealing with this is to install an animal guard. All it is a set of bars that's placed in the pipe itself to prevent animals from going into the pipe. It's more effective at preventing bigger animals from getting in there, like cats and raccoons. So I have one already installed, and they come in different sizes. This one you're looking at right now is a 6-inch animal guard, and this will prevent animals from going into the pipe. I need to install another one at the opposite end, and this one is 12 inches. And to install these is really simple. You just need a drill. You want to make sure that you're installing this where when it opens, it's not going to protrude out of the pipe. So you just get an estimate on how long or how deep in the pipe you need to go, and then you're going to take your drill and drill straight down, starting from the top. Once you've drilled your hole, you're going to take the screw and the nut and just attach them together at opposite ends, one from the outside and the other from the inside. This way you can secure the animal guard, and once you have it secured, animals won't be able to go in, but the guard is able to protrude outwards. It's able to open to let debris out if there is debris in the pipe. If you're looking to acquire these, you can find these easily online. I just did a Google search and I got mine off Drainage Solution. You can also find them at landscape supply stores.